Dalton Farm.
So this is exit.
Huh?
This is this one. Let's go right here.
One, Misha is coming. Now Daddy is coming. And after that, Sanvi is coming. This is the fall season corn I found in this corn maze.
Come around. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yay, we did it! We finally found this exit. Yay, pumpkin! Pumpkin!
तुम हवा बन मेरी सांसों में
Misha, Sanvi.
Going to Dalton Farms.
Look at this style. Where you
Look
going?
look at her hairstyle also.
Yes, we're going to Dalton Farms.
In the.
Chalo.
Can I see your hairstyle?
Very nice hairstyle.
Okay, now turn around and.
I am wearing this outfit. It's very cold there.
Yeah.
Because it's going to be so cold, and I'm going to tell I will tell my teacher if we go to Dalton Farm.
Okay. Misha, Sanvi, where are you right now?
We're at Dalton Farms.
We're at Dalton Farms.
Yeah, and I'm going to tell it to my teacher. It was like, what do you sauce today?
Ah,
Yeah.
where are you right now?
We are in Dalton Farms, New Jersey,
Yeah.
and look at the view.
Look at the view. This is the view. This is the
We are still
parking.
yet to go inside.
Welcome to our channel. Today is Dalton Farm. We are here, and today is Dhanteras. So happy Dhanteras to all of you, everybody. We are here again at Dalton Farms. So I already posted the video regarding tulip. Tulip. We were here at tulip time.
Yes.
Yeah. The spring time. And now we are at Halloween time. Misha, you remember this
Yeah, I know.
the farm? She
Yeah,
came earlier.
I know this place, but we
Yeah.
used to be here.
Huh. And you can see this sunflower if you want to buy 2 each for 10
Eat something.
or 10 for 10.
Eat something. It's a plastic.
So let's go inside, right? And we'll see there. When you will walk, then you will not. Okay, let's go. You can see from outside. And we are going to enter from this area. This is an entrance gate. We are checking our tickets. Hi, how are you? Thank you. Wow, what's that? And you can buy some pumpkins or whatever you can. This is a souvenir shop kind of. Yeah, Pumpkin Town. Okay. You can see each and every part. You can
Let's stand over here.
not even miss. You can take pictures everywhere. 1, 2, 3, go. This is Dalton Farm in New Jersey. Which area is this? Do you know that? Which area is this?
Swissboro.
Swissboro. And you can see each and every place they have decorated for
Same
Halloween.
thing, right?
Yes,
Go. She's
Best
go sit.
fall season if you are looking for some place to visit. This is Dalton Farm. Misha, how's that? So here you can see everybody taking pictures and enjoying fall season moment. Wow, this is beautiful. They're beautifully decorated. And this one is also, yeah, this is in New Jersey. Yes, there are so many options here, and you can see this is a truck ride. We already showed you in last video. We were riding tulip season. We were here, and now we are here in fall season. Lisa, how was the pumpkin? You want to take picture with the other pumpkins?
Let's go see sunflowers.
So we can go. We can go on this hay ride, right?
Yeah,
Which is totally free here. And if you want to buy like pumpkins, you can come here and you can see full farm, and you can whatever you want to buy, you can buy. So you can buy pumpkins this time, and if it is like tulip season, you can buy tulips as per your choice. So you can see. Huh? What do you say?
we have the food stall here this time,
Huh?
and let's see. Last time we also had some food.
We have hot dogs.
Wow, this is sunflower time now.
Let's go inside.
Wow, you can take pictures. So pretty. Wow, you can see. So beautiful, the honeybee on it. Oh my goodness, so beautiful, beautiful. Never seen these kind of. This is our first time this fall season when we came here in the fall for yes. Where?
Right there.
Oh my god. Yes, right. This is cute ladybug.
Hey, I found it.
You know, Misha, who finds the ladybug? Those people who find it, they are lucky person. You're lucky person. Don't get scared. Okay. On it. Yeah, this is our first time. We never saw this kind of sunflower in fall time. So pretty. You cannot even miss any moment. Oh my god. Huh?
No.
What? Misha is still scared. Wow, my god, this is very hard. Come on. Misha is gone. Come on, Sandy. Oh, now we are out. Woo! I saw you. The middle part is so big. Why you getting scared, Misha?
It's just number.
Now you feeling good? Now you feeling good? Okay. Let's see. Oh my god. And it's a big farm. You cannot even finish in one go. That's why we came here again this time.
She is going inside the sunflower big trees, and let's see if. Whoa!
You can check your height with this, but the tallest one. Oh god. Yes. So many honeybees are coming now, and Misha and Sanvi is they're getting scared. Little bit.
They want to saw the clouds on the back mata. No, this is walking place.
I want to.
No, that's okay.
You want to what?
See, if you stay with me, bees won't attack you.
And we like those flowers.
Yes, very pretty flower.
So let's go to the other area of this farm.
Let's buy it.
What are you gonna buy? Gonna buy pumpkins?
Yep.
So yes, this is best
some flowers over
farm.
there too.
You can choose whatever flower you want, and you can choose whatever pumpkin you want.
This is baby flower.
Huh?
Yeah.
So I saw some people over there. They were walking around holding pumpkins.
Ah.
It's very heavy to like hold the pumpkin. And there is a red ones there. Let me tell you, like this is a big farm. So if you like want to go the other area, which is very far, you cannot walk. So you can go take a hay ride. It's totally free, anytime,
Come here.
and how many times, or whatever how many times you need, you can take turns, and wherever you want to go, you can go and like hop on and hop off anytime, and you can walk around in the farm area. So this is I think red sunflower. Red sunflower. Misha, don't get scared. This is not scary. This is not scary. Oh my goodness. सानवी ने तो पापा को उठा लिया. Help. This is a vegan stop.
Vegan?
And we are waiting here, and this is our vegan is coming. Our hair ride is here. Everybody waiting. We have space there, I think. We can go there. We came here with tulips were here, right?
Yeah,
Maybe
so
they have specific area for like the sunflowers and like tulips. You can see this is all empty here. They were decorated like they have decorated earlier here with the tulips. But it's fun. You can take hay rides as many times as you want. Sami, you remember this was the board when we were taking a photo booth.
Yeah, what happened here?
Yeah, they've removed it because there's nothing in here, right? So I think,
Oh yeah, that one.
yeah. So where are we right now? Next to the corn maze, and we're going to enter here. So we just hop down this area, which is corn maze. So we can go inside if we want to see this area. This is a chart to enter this, and so many people were going inside there. So we thought of like, let's go this place first. Then we'll go other place after that.
I say, look at how many.
It's a good one, right? We never came here right last time.
Yeah, corn maze is first time.
Oh my god.
Wow.
साथ ही रहना बेटा.
Yes, don't get lost in here. This is the corn maze. We have to enter in here. And this is the map you're scanning.
Yeah.
So we get, otherwise we not
That's an
gonna.
extremely hard one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna
No,
go.
okay.
Do this circle. Look at this.
Can I see?
This is pumpkin and this is tiger and the circle and Dalton Farms. We need to do.
Okay, let's do hot dog.
No, first one.
So this is a
Small,
exit
easy one.
phase. Enter phase is this side, Sanvi.
Let's do this guy.
Yes. So they have showed us, like they have
I know what it is.
given us guidance.
Mama, just a chori only movie देखा था chori.
Oh yes, very you saw every time like where.
You have phone, right? So you both are in one team and we are in one team.
Okay, let's go this way.
Okay, bye. We're dividing. Okay, we can meet. Okay, yeah, that's a good idea. We can meet somewhere with around.
No, this is exit.
This is this guy. Let's go right here.
Okay, so son, this is a small, easy one. Easy phase. So this is the easy phase. Yes, so we're gonna go.
Okay, see.
We were deciding to split up, so we can go with the easy and hard phase, but we are going now with the
Wait,
easy
Madam.
phase all together. Why are you running? I hope we're not gonna last in this maze.
Right or left?
Oh my! Which one is? Do you have any idea? Oh my God!
This one.
There's so many.
What do you
too
say? What do
many
you
mazes.
say? What do you think? What do you think?
Which
Left
way
or right?
we have to go? We are lost.
Let's follow Sanvi.
Oh, God.
Let's follow me. Follow
Okay,
me.
who's?
Me.
Left or right? Okay.
Ini mini mine all good.
Oh,
Rock
rock,
paper
paper,
scissors through.
Wait. This.
Okay.
Rock, paper.
Wait, which one you want? I want this one.
Which one you want?
I want this. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Got you.
Okay, we have to choose Misha's side because Misha won, and we have to go this way. Let's go. My goodness. So good ways. This is a fun part actually. If we have missed it, then this was a little hard to know. Oh my God! Why so many? This is very hard actually. We don't know where we have to go. Sanvi. This is amazing thing we found here at Dalton Farms. So yes, you must have to come this corn maze for sure. Otherwise you're gonna miss something special in this fall. You can see. If you wanna break it, you can break it. This is the fall season corn I found in this corn maze. You can see what I found.
खा नहीं लेना गंदा होता है.
Don't. This is not for eating. This is for just show. We can keep it in our garden. This is for free. I'm not sure.
Not free anything. Come here.
Listen,
Don't go that way. Go this way. Highway के
you
पास.
can see other.
Okay, then
Oh my God. You can see.
don't go this way. Okay. We are
Wow.
will not go this way. We are
Wait, can I
cross.
do it? Can I do it?
Cross.
Okay. Make it cross so you cannot come.
अब highway के पास आगे मतलब हम
area.
सबसे and we're at this corner. It's in a square.
So have you ever seen like in an Indian movie which is Chori? I think
and there's people.
Chori, right? So it's in both I think 2 seasons, 2 parts were there, and they both were shooted in this kind of corn maze, I think. So it was very hard to find. Then we are feeling the same way. It was little scary
You
movie.
tell me, here or this way?
So
Let's go this way.
they are finding their way to out. How much we have to walk?
Go straight.
Wait, can I see? Where are we?
It's not telling anything. Hey, every time we'll go, we'll cross it. Okay. So
Okay.
this time we are going this way. We'll cross it. Let's go this way.
Fun.
Oh my God! We are finding our area.
आप पीछे क्यों जा रहे हो?
चुप हो जाओ बेटा, मैं तुम्हें निकालने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ.
This is all maze everywhere. And Daddy is finding that place where we have to leave.
This is an
And this is Sanvi and me. We did it! Yay! We did it! We finally found this exit of this easy maze.
पहले ब्रेक लेंगे ना, हार्ड वाला.
Must try, but you have to be. No, you have to just make a cross everywhere so you can find your way easily. Yay! We're going to exit this easy maze.
जी एकदम से सबको लग गया.
Easy phase. We just came out. We are not able to do other hard phase now because Misha is and everybody is getting tired. We're just taking break. Let's walk.
The fake hair.
Fake?
This is fake hair.
But tell me in comments how's looking on my on
Yeah,
me.
I thought these days was fun, but it's really difficult. Very
See,
first
these
level
people
we
here.
almost walk almost 2 miles and could not able to find the exit.
Ah, so I already showed you.
Sorry.
This is the second part of phase of this farm, and we are going next to this area which is next to the lake, and now we are going to enter in this food section, food cart, and so many. You can see this is the place you can find your pumpkin, best pumpkin here, right, Tanvi? Misha will select the best pumpkin. Don't go nearby. It's bug on there. Oh my God! So this is the place you can click pictures with the pumpkins, like pumpkins on the ground, and this side is for food section. People are here, and this is the area when we go back there. There's some next to the lake, and some music going on. People are enjoying nearby, eating, having fun with their families. Ooh, it was a nice song. You can see the lake next to this. You wanna sit here a little bit, take some break. See, we were sitting there.
There's so many walls.
There were so many bees and wasps were coming. So now we we came up like, okay, let's go. Otherwise, we're gonna bite us.
Right on the backside.
Huh? Really? We reached here, next to the pumpkin ground. Misha,
No,
You still scared?
Pumpkin world.
pumpkin world. Yes, this is the correct thing she said. Now there's no. Yeah, pumpkin land. Wow, this is beautiful. Oh, yes. Come on. Whoa, Misha. Savvy riding the pumpkin truck.
My turn.
Misha is riding truck for me.
Bye.
Where are we now? We are going to slide. Big line behind. Misha and Sanvi already did this ride earlier. First time we're all going together. Right, Misha? We're going together?
Yeah.
Ready, Misha?
Yeah.
Ready, go! Was fun, Sanvi, Misha. Long time waiting and we did all together.
And two Dulce Delights.
ढूंढ लिए थे
And then right off for your next second, a nice latte.
Misha, पकड़ो. Wow, what do you got, Misha? What are you drinking? Dulce Delight?
Oh, what a
So it's 4:30 p.m. and what we going to do now? And this is hayride is going again, and we are leaving from here. And this is our exit again back to this place, which is like souvenir or whenever you wanna buy, whatever you have to pay here, and then you can leave. Like whatever you wanna see, you can buy from here.
Still entering right now.
Yeah, yes. So we're going to leave, and it was fun time. We enjoyed here, and we're gonna buy something, we're gonna eat something, and after that we're gonna leave. And we have to buy something for the Dhanteras, and happy the Dhanteras again. And it was nice trip to the Dalton Farms here at this house, this fall festival, fall time actually. So we're going to exit here already, or exit, and it was fun today. We enjoyed this fall festival pumpkin season at Dalton Farms, right? So we're going to leave. I hope you liked our vlog. If you liked our vlog, please comment down below what you liked in this vlog. And
you can visit here.
yes, so if you like this place, then you can come and visit here. And so beautiful. So you can come in every season. So thank you for watching our vlog. And wanna say goodbye, everybody?
Bye.
And subscribe.
Subscribe to Indal Vlog.
Yay! Bye!
Bye.
Bye! So right now I'm in Indian store, something for Dhanteras. So I think I'm gonna buy this. I don't know what to buy. I can buy some glass. सब कुछ मिलता है यहाँ पे. You can buy anything. Let's go. This bowls. That's it. I bought some broom here. You can buy. So this is Dhanteras thing. Let's buy this. Okay, let's go. Happy Dhanteras to all of you again.
तुम हवा बन मेरी सांसों